How to create Instagram account without phone number. So if you want to create an Instagram account and if you don't have a phone number, then first of all open up your Instagram application, and now you will have an option of create new account on the bottom. Tap on that, and then here you have to enter your name, like your full name, and after entering that you can simply tap on next, and then you have to create a password, and after creating a password tap on next, and then if you want to save your login info you can simply tap on save, and then you have to select your date of birth, and after that you can simply tap on set, and then next, and then it will automatically create a username. So you can tap on next if you are satisfied with that username, but if you are not, then you can simply remove that, and then you can add your username that you are comfortable with, and then tap on next, and now you have to enter your mobile number. So it's asking your mobile number, right? So you don't have your mobile number, so what you have to do is you have to simply tap on sign up with email address, and then it will and then you can simply add your email address that you're comfortable with, and after adding your email address you can simply tap on next, and then you will get a code to your email address, and after entering that code your account will be created. So that's it. If you don't have your mobile number you can simply choose your email address, and then you can open or create your Instagram account using your email address. So that's it, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.